Hello, I'm going to show you very quickly how to highlight within a data set all unique values by using this data set that I created, which is basically the numbers 1 through 7 and then 1, 3, 5, and 7 after the fact, so that all the odd numbers will be the unique numbers. And in order to highlight those unique numbers, I'm going to use a conditional formatting that's already set up for us within Excel. I'm going to click the conditional formatting icon underneath the Home tab, and then I'm going to go to New Rule, and then second from the last here there is one that's called Format Only Unique or Duplicate Values. You're going to go ahead and click on that, and then this new dialog box is going to open up down here. Format All is going to have duplicate as the default setting. We're going to want to select unique, and then in this case it's going to highlight all of the unique values, which are going to be our even numbers. And then we get to change what we want that format, the format of those unique variables to be. For the sake of you being able to see this easily, I'm going to select orange as my color. I'm going to hit OK and then OK again. And when I do this, you see that all of my even numbers, which are the unique values, are now highlighted in orange. So it's a cool little trick to use conditional formatting and using one of the formulas that they already have set up for you within Excel. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helped.